Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be reaching about 100 subscribers. So as a way of giving back, I'm going to start my series talking about the various things that help us gain control of our life. Today I'm going to get into something really basic, which is energy. Now, you can call it God, you can call it angels, you can call it universe, but at the end of the day, I like to go towards science to a certain degree. Now, of course, science doesn't explain everything, but to a certain degree, it does. We are all energetic beings. Simple as that. You know, when you talk about how does tarot card work, how does law of attraction work, it works on the basis that we are energetic beings. And this is science. We are made up of electrons, neutrons, protons, strings of energy, all of that. So when I say we're made up of energy, then if our everything around us is energy. You know, you are energy, the table is energy, the chair is energy, everything is energy. And according to the laws of energy, like attracts like. So when people say, why does it matter for us to be positive? Well, because we're energetic beings, we're made up of the same thing, we are going to attract what we give out. So if you're giving out negative energy, you're going to get negative energy back because you're attracting energy, you know? And there's another theory which is called quantum entanglement. Now, obviously, if we go into the depth of that, it goes into a lot of different things. But the simplest form of what I have understood and how I use it in my everyday life is we all talk about how thinking positively, how is that going to affect someone? We talk about, okay, I want the love of my life to come in. I want money. I want, success. And we're like, okay, think positively. Imagine what you want. Imagine already having this thing with us. And you're like, okay, I'm going to do all of this, but how is this affecting the other person? I can't control the other person. And everything that, spirituality and all of this teach you is to work on yourself, and the world around you will change. Because we're all energetic beings, that's how it's supposed to be. And you're like, okay, in principle that makes sense, but what the hell, how is this going to work? So there's something called quantum entanglement theory. Now, Einstein referred to it as spooky things at a distance, because even he couldn't understand how it happened and why it worked the way it did. What quantum entanglement says is when there are two particles close to each other and you affect one and the other one gets affected. But when you put these two particles far away from each other, like away from each other, and affect one, the other one, who's not even close to it, still gets affected. Now, think about it. I mean, to me, I am spiritual, but I'm not very religious because, growing up, because of what's happening in the world, I try to not put religion in. I mean, I'm okay with anybody who does. There's not, no judgment or anything, but I like to stay away from organized religion because there's so much out there and I don't want to get involved in all of that. I like to, have my own views. And for me, this is what actually kind of resonated because I'm like, okay, hold on, we're made of the same stuff. And if we're made of the same particles, then affecting ourselves will affect another because that's what science is saying. So, I mean, forget the fact that we feel it every day. And, anybody who's practiced law of attraction, anybody who resonates with my reading already feels it. But this is science telling us the same thing. So tomorrow, when you're trying to understand how everything works, just remember that we are all energetic beings. So if you want something, you have to come from a place of already having it. Now, this is where I'm going to get into how law of attraction actually works. People say think positive thoughts, and you'll get what you want. But like attracts like. So if you're thinking, I really want my boyfriend, I really want this person, I really want money, I really want love, what you're actually saying is that you don't already have it. So if you don't already have it, that means you're coming from a place of lack. And that's what's being reflected. You're reflecting lack. So obviously what you're going to get back is more lack. You're not going to get the love because you're coming from a place of I don't have it. But what you should actually be coming from is a place of already having it. A place that what you want is already with you. Now, I'm going to give you an example. Say you want love, but you already have a really good place to live in, and a home is not your priority. How often do you think about the home? Are you always thinking about the home? No, because you already have it. What you're always constantly focusing on is love. So the fact that that's how you need to be about love. You don't obsess and think about the things you already have, because you already have them. So that's what you need to do. When you want something to happen, and this is how I use it. Everybody has different methods. I'm just going to share how I manifest things in my life. I decide on what I do want. I don't focus on what I don't want. Focus on what you do want. Rather than being like, I don't want to be alone, be like, what I want is a loving partner. What I want is money to go to Paris. Whatever it is you want. And I usually have a conversation with the universe. I'm like, universe, I want this much money. I want to go to Paris. I don't care how I go to Paris. I just need the money to get to Paris. And I need it by the end of the month. So can you please make it happen? Thank you. And then it goes to the place of asking for what you want, and then knowing that the universe has your back, and that whatever's going to happen, it's going to be for your highest good. Whether you go or not, that's not the point. The point is that whatever will happen is what you want, in a good way, like it'll be good for you. So I said, okay, universe, make this happen. I go to a place of believing and trusting that it'll happen. And then I let go. I kind of don't think about it, because it's already handled, it's already done. Now, there is a step in the middle. If it works for you, you can do that, which is visualization. Don't visualize how you're going to get this stuff. You should be visualizing what happens after you've already gotten it. So say you want to go to Paris, don't visualize, oh, the money's going to come from here and it's going to come at this time. What you need to focus on is walking down the streets of Paris, eating a croissant, having a glass of wine, checking out the cute, hot Frenchman, whatever it is you want to do in Paris. The reason I say Paris is because I did manifest a trip to Paris. I'll tell you more about that later. But that's what you need to visualize. And when you're visualizing, feel it. Feel the croissant in your mouth. Feel the glass of wine in your mouth. Feel the temperature. Imagine what you're wearing and really go into it. And when you open your eyes after visualization, you should be in that state of it's done. That feeling you feel when you have everything you want, the contentment. You need to be there. And then you need to go on your day and just do other stuff. Because if you already have it, you don't think about it. So that's how law of attraction actually comes. Because then magically it's going to show up. Like in crazy ways. You can't even imagine how it's going to show up. But that's how it works. And you can believe it or not believe it, but I have manifested a lot of things this way. A lot of crazy things. And that's how it is. So when you're trying to understand why is something not working out for you, think about how many times you're obsessing about it. Think about it. Are you coming from a place of lack? Or are you coming from a place of already having it? And if you already have it, why would you be obsessing about it? So try this. I hope this answered a few questions. I would love to hear your feedback and let me know topics you want me to talk about. I will be doing some of my, I'm going to tell you more about the stuff I have manifested and the way things have happened, just so you guys have some evidence and you feel more motivated to do things on your own. All right, take care. Thank you so much. Bye.